Rich, when it comes to alignments and tire wear, really the only way to know for sure whether it's good is to take it to your mechanic and have them do all the cool measurements. But we can take a couple of quick checks and at least get an idea maybe between alignments. First thing we want to do, start with a visual inspection on the outside.
Absolutely.
If it's bad enough,
you could actually see the actual wheel tilting inwards of the car.
That's right.
One way you
You'll
could do
see
that,
it.
if you actually stand right in the front fender of the car, you look about right here, you could actually see the wheel tilting inwards of the vehicle itself. All wheels should be straight, but in extreme cases, you could actually see the wheel tilting in towards the vehicle.
It's important to point out, you'll only see it if it's really, really, really bad.
Correct, yes.
What we can do though, and it's easy for anybody to take a quick look, is to look at the tire itself. My best advice for that is to just cut the wheel one way or the other, because that'll give you a better view of the whole tire pattern.
Sure.
So I'm gonna turn the wheel.
Do that. Let's do that for
I'm
us.
gonna turn the wheel.
You're so strong.
So strong.
How are you this powerful?
I
It's
told
amazing.
you I went to the gym one time.
So one thing to check on the inside of the wheel, you could actually see it happening already.
Yep.
This is definitely uneven wear. On the inside of the wheel, the tire wall itself, this is very smooth, and then the inside is actually on the outside, it's a lot rougher.
And of course, tire pressure,
Very
something
important.
that needs to be checked all the time. Even if it has the warning light on there,
Right.
don't rely on that. You want to check your tires, I don't
Manually.
know, every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, month, depending on how often you drive.